Hey, it's Laura with the University of Minnesota Extension, and I'm going to show you how to sow seeds into a 6-cell pack. Artichoke seeds are quite large in comparison to a lot of our other vegetable seeds. So this is also a pretty old seed. So what I'm going to do is sow 3 seeds per cell and then later come back and thin them. So because these seeds are so large, the general rule of thumb is make your dibble or hole 2 times as deep as the width. Now it's typically better to be a little bit on the shallow side than the deep side, just because if you sow seeds too deep, they're going to take a longer time to germinate, and sometimes they won't germinate at all. So you're going to see I made my dibbles, and I'm going to drop those 3 seeds in, and I like to wait to cover up my holes until I finish filling all my cells. Now that all of my seeds are in these cells, there's 2 different methods you can use. One is gently pinch the substrate back over and lightly tamp it down so you have good seed soil contact, or you can grab a little bit of extra potting mix and set it on top and pat them down. Really up to you and what you would like to do. We want to make sure that when we water them in, particularly the first time, we do it really well so that all of the substrate is watered throughout. So I'm going to use the top watering method or above watering, and because these seeds are so large and buried a little deep, I'm not worried about the semi-coarse stream of water that's coming out of this. Now you may notice that there is water starting to collect and pool in the bottom of my tray. That is all right. I'm going to leave this here for a few minutes. Make sure that any of the water that needs to go back up and absorb from the bottom does that, and then I'll pour off that excess water. Then I'm going to set this underneath my grow lights and keep the top about 2 inches away from the light so that once these seeds germinate, they are not trying to stretch upward and reach towards any of the light.